भाई अगर तुम्हारी बंदी तुमको छोड़ के चली गई है ना, दैट मीन्स इट्स योर फॉल्ट। अगर तुम्हारी बंदी किसी और के साथ भाग गई है, तुम्हारी ही गलती है। इट्स बिकॉज यू आर नॉट पर्सपिकेशियस इनफ। इट्स बिकॉज या तो तुमने स्टार्टिंग में ही गलती करी थी कि ऐसी लड़की को चूज़ करके कि जो लॉयल ना रह सके, इट वॉज़ योर फॉल्ट वहाँ पर भी। या फिर तुमने दूसरी गलती ये करी कि रिलेशनशिप में आने के बाद यू बिकेम सॉफ्ट, यू स्टॉप्ड प्रोग्रेसिंग yourself, you stopped having self-esteem and self-respect, you stopped taking out time for yourself। ये तुम्हारी गलती है। और I totally know, you know, अगर दूसरी गलती तुमने करी है ना, ये दूसरी गलती, the second type of mistake that I mentioned, अगर वो गलती तुमने करी है, then I definitely believe कि तुम्हारी बंदी ने तुमको बताया भी होगा कि you know you are getting weak, you are getting soft, you are not going to the gym, you are not taking care of yourself। और इस बात पे तुम ज़्यादा ध्यान देते भी नहीं होगे because she wouldn't fight with you in these regards। But you must be able to take full accountability for your actions and your life and how it turns out to be। सब कुछ तुम्हारा ही गलती है भाई। Because when you take the accountability, you have the power too। You have the power and you have the control over your life, over your relationships, over who you welcome into your life, who you welcome into your inner circle, who you hang out with, what kind of girl you attract। You should have some kind of boundaries for her when you are in a relationship with her। क्या पता तुमने वो boundaries ही सेट नहीं किया हो, क्या पता तुमने इतनी उसको छूट दिया हो कि you know she can hang out with other guys, other male friends। I don't believe in, you know, women having male friends। There is no such thing as male friends। Maybe female के perspective से they think that she has a friend who is a guy, but according to the guy, he is always looking out for a chance, for that slim chance, so that he can slip inside and fuck her if the opportunity shows up। That is the thing, bro। तुम्हारी गलती है। Take full accountability for your life। अगर तुम full accountability लोगे, then will you be able to know your mistakes, know where you went wrong, know what things you fucked up। अगर तुमको गलतियाँ पता है अपनी, then you will be able to correct those mistakes। अगर तुमको अपनी गलती पता ही नहीं है तो what you gonna work on? Nothing, right? So taking accountability is one of the tenets of being a man। भाई अगर तुम बोलोगे कि यार you are coming from a very poor family background, या तुम्हारे पास कोई opportunity नहीं थी बचपन से, या तुम्हारे आसपास में वायलेंस काफ़ी था, bro, I'm telling you, there are people who have had worse than you, but they made the best of what they could, and they are far better in life than you are। There is no excuse, bro। There is no excuse। Take full accountability of how your life would turn out। Don't be complaining like a bitch। It's not easy, ठीक है। Being a man is never easy। Being a man is like walking on trenches। Being a man is like walking on a hot lava sometimes, but it's rewarding। It is rewarding। यही तो बात है कि भाई it's totally up to you। All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one।